Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing how to make this cute little Kirby on a star. And I made one years ago and I decided to make a new one with resin and clay. So first, to make the clay template, we're going to take a ball of scrap clay and this will be the body. And then for the arms, we're going to take some of that scrap clay and roll it into a cylinder shape and cut it at a slight slant. And we're going to place that onto our body. And then for the other arm, we're going to be doing the same thing with the cylinder, except we're going to cut it at even more drastic slant and a little bit thinner. And we're going to place that kind of down below in the middle because it's going to look like Kirby is holding down onto the star. And here is the template all baked with my little silicone mold. And for the resin mixture, I'm putting some UV resin into my little cup and adding a little bit of pink pigment at a time and mixing that together. Next, I'm going to gently pour that into my little mold and let that cure under the UV lamp. For the star, I'm going to take some yellow clay and put it into my little puffy star mold. I mean, you can make the star yourself, but I was kind of feeling lazy today, so I decided to put it in a mold. And then you want to take off your star out of the mold, and then you want to put it on top of another star that's in the mold, press it together, and then just kind of blend the seams. For Kirby's feet, we're going to take some red clay, roll it into a slight oval shape, and then cut it in half. And place them onto my Kirby template that's already been baked. And one's going to go in front and one behind. Then for the eyes, we're going to take some black clay and roll out into ovals and place two little white dots on them. And then I have two little pink ovals for blushes as well. And once it's baked, we're going to take it off the template and we're going to start gluing them onto our little resin bodies. So I'm just taking some super glue and adding on the feet. So one foot facing front and one's going to be behind the other arm. Next, we're going to place that onto our star. And then for the face, I'm just rubbing a very small layer of super glue onto the resin body and placing on the little facial components. And then don't forget the little line smile. And then we're just going to add a layer of glaze on top and let that completely set. And here we have our little Kirby. And my Kirby kind of had a little bit of bubbles, but it can't be helped when you're using UV resin. Sometimes bubbles form. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.